answer the questions of monosexuals from both ends of the Kinsey spectrum, I've cooked up a metaphor. Think of sticky toffee pudding and chips, both delicious. Some people are more into sticky toffee pudding, others chips. Since I was born, the whole world assumes that I only want chips. But sticky toffee pudding appealed to me from a young age, even though other girls don't always feel that way. Chips are not hard to find. I'd even say they're hard to avoid. They're on every menu, in every restaurant, takeaway, cafe and bar. Everywhere you go, their chips are. Their presence is so pervasive that I go through phases where I vow to abstain, to focus on the sticky toffee pudding campaign. It's not easy, logistically. Imagine you're me. You walk into a restaurant, hungry. It'd be lovely if they had sticky toffee pudding, but generally, no dice. Then, when the inevitable sides of steaming chips arrive, your eyes slide over, your hand reaches out, and just like that, you break your vow. So people see me eating chips and think that all I need is chips, but sticky toffee pudding calls to me. Warm from the oven, soft and sweet. I do try. I go to restaurants that specialise in sticky toffee pudding, and I'm handed the chip menu. It's fine. Pudding fans have a stereotype, and I don't always give off that vibe. But when another woman says something like, "Whoa, look at the toffee sauce on that pudding," I jigsaw into place, believing I'm among those who understand my tastes. Until later, when she mentions how disgusting chips are. She would never eat one. She's a pudding eater with a gold star. Then, when I defend chips, the other pudding eaters are suspicious. The way they look at me changes. They say,
"Chips are tasteless."
I'd rather die than let one pass my lips.
I had chips once, long ago, and it made me physically sick.
And then I have to admit, I've had chips more than once, and I don't regret a single one. Well, maybe some, but I think we can all say we've had late night chips that we regretted the next day. I explain my tastes honestly, but people doubt them constantly. It seems that which taste of mine they don't believe depends on what they prefer to eat, or claim to prefer. I see a lot of deceit in what people claim to like to eat. Some people claim to be purely of the chip persuasion, but I've seen them tucking into pudding on more than one occasion. Some people only eat pudding now, but have eaten chips in the past, yet they deny it or keep it quiet. And yeah, labels are the pits, but it's partly because of people like them that no one believes that people like me exist. As for you, listening to this, I hope you're eating what you actually want. Make it count. And remember, you're the only one who tastes what goes into your mouth.